In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Facebook app on your Android smartphone. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Facebook app, go ahead and look for this app called Play Store on your Android smartphone and tap on it to open. First, you need to make sure that you are logged in for you to get an option to install your app. So go ahead and log in with your Gmail account, and once you are logged in, you should see a search bar here. Go ahead and tap on it to search for the app by its name. However, if you can't see this search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it, and now we have an option to search for our app. So I'll search Facebook and then tap on the search icon. As you can see, we are taken directly to Facebook. Tap on it, and to know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Meta platform. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.5 with over 172 million reviews. Currently, the app has been downloaded over 10 billion times, and now the average size is around 90 MBs. So if you see these details, you will know that you have the right Facebook app from official Meta company. To get it, tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Facebook app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to sign up or log in, or you can head to your apps and you should be able to find Facebook. As you can see, it is here. So by following these steps, you should be able to install the right Facebook app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.